Are you struggling to find other sources of income? Maybe not that what you're doing isn't good, but you just want more. Well, today is your lucky day. We're going to talk about another passive income that I'm using and a badass income that some of you are already a part of, but in my opinion, not enough of you. There are a lot of these little Tron gambling dApps that are coming out, and people are saying you can get almost 1% a day, yet the token value goes down and you're trying to make 1% but losing 5-10%. And you know, those things are cool, whatever, do whatever you want. But let's go over a couple different revenue streams, because it's been a little while since we've done a little overview of some of the things that I am doing that pay me and pay me well. So number one, we have to talk about, because time is running out, is sports betting. Okay? Now, I don't sit on my computer, scratch my balls, look up statistics, and make these bets. I pay thousands of dollars to someone else, the best guy in the world, literally. Gave him 10 grand this month, just gave him 5 grand today, gave him 5 grand earlier in the month, just this month, for college basketball and March Madness, which is starting in 3 days. Now let's take a look-see at the results. The past 7 days, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wins and 1 loss. 8 wins, 1 loss. And check this out. On Sunday, I slept through 2 picks that I was supposed to get in on. UConn at 5 and the Wisconsin game over 123. Both of those also won. So technically we should be 10-1, right? Doesn't happen often. I apologize to my sports betting people that are in the sports betting Discord, but it's all good. They're happy because we are winning a shit ton. So check this out. I don't bet sports for fun. I don't know anything about college basketball. I don't watch baseball. I don't watch any of that shit. But if there's an edge, if I can make an income off of it, when I started betting sports seriously about a year ago, it was to add another serious revenue stream, and had ups and downs. I was using one group for a while, had its ups and downs. Baseball was terrible. The other sports were good, but at the end of the day, it wasn't getting the job done. But my guy that I use now is murdering the game. All you have to do is ask not just me, but someone that's already in the group. So check this out. For $250, you are going to get what I paid $10,000 for. So if you want every single bet from now until April 8th is the end of March Madness. And if you don't know what March Madness is, it is the college basketball tournament in the United States of America. And yeah, it's the big tournament where they all play against each other. We're probably going to have 2-3 bets a day. And we're supposed to be 10-1 right now. We're 8-1. And that's unheard of. That is a percentage you'll never get from anywhere else, ever. I don't even make, I don't put, I'll bet on like the UFC sometimes. I'm like 5-1 with my own UFC bets, but that's just for fun. So we are making serious money. The only reason I'm not showing my account thing is it shows my information. So I copied and pasted it, and I have all the bets. So here's what you're going to do. You follow the instructions below, And if you decide to join, you're going to get access to this sports betting. You'll see the sports betting. Boom. I guess I'm leaking today's pick, which is Wright State. So you all have a leak for that. You get in the group. I post the bets. They come in. We kick ass. End of story. So we're murdering with sports, the sports betting, big time. Honestly, that's like the number one thing. Like it's. I've had some of my members say I'm 90% accurate with my trades, which we might be close to that, but we are over 90%. If you're 10-1, whoo, that's over 90%. Okay. Now I forgot about this for a little while. This EXP Asset. So let's talk about this for a second. I did some videos on it in the past, and guess what? I have the biggest group in the Philippines under me, which means you get their overflow. All that bullshit, I'm not going to go into all of it. Honestly, the biggest sell point on this is the binary plan thing. It pays you every single day until you make 120%. So for 4 months, right? It's not as sexy as BitConnect was, whatever. But this is sustainable. These guys have been around for years, for about 2 years. Here's their pictures. There's Patrick Krupitsky. Okay, he's putting himself out there. They're getting the job done. And so there's the binary 2-leg bullshit. If you're under me, you get overflow. You get people signing up under you that you get commission from doing nothing. You only get it on one leg. You have to get at least like one person yourself. I'm not going to do all the work for you, but a lot of the work for you. So anyone that's in my crew, you got the Philippine bangers doing work for you. And look at these guys. These Philippines are hungry. Okay, so they're getting the job done. I've been very happy, very happy. I honestly forgot about, look, the guys in the newspaper. It's as good as it gets. This is as safe, in my opinion, as it gets for a crypto paying out daily, you not having to do shit income. Okay, so there's that. Do your own research on it. I'm not going to go over every damn thing, but I'll show you what's cool as well. They have this product bullshit. The trading ideas is my favorite. The webinars are good too, but I can only take these European trader boring ass people for so long, so I have a hard time having an attention span for these Euro kids. But their charts are really good. There's gems in here, and I do use these. Sometimes you'll find gems. These guys do know what they're doing. They are the real deal, and so I'm happy with it. But if you're just looking to set it and forget it, EXP Asset all the way. Okay, so sports betting, we're kicking ass. Obviously, if you haven't watched the card counting, if you were on our live stream a few days ago, you guys saw what happens when a count goes hot. We were racking it in, getting blackjacks, and I made a few $1,000s on the live stream. Episode 2 will come soon. But, guys, sports betting. Get in on this. You will be happy. Trust me. These guys know what they're doing. I wouldn't pay $10,000. And I'm not making that up. I showed you guys the last $5,000 I paid. I showed you the transaction. Just paid them another $5,000 today because I want to make sure they're happy. But this March Madness, I'm gonna be, right now I'm betting like $1,500 a game. I'm probably gonna pick it up to like $2,000. Yeah, $2,000 a game. So if you want to join, you're in till April 8th, and then it's over. After that, he's gonna want me to be betting baseball. So the sports betting thing, we're going to keep doing it because we keep on winning. We should be 10-1. I've slept through 2 of those picks, so we're 8-1. And it's the real deal. So right now, on average, we get about 1 pick a day. We didn't have any yesterday, right? Yesterday was a pass day. Today we have Wright State. So hopefully now that, it's a free one for all you guys, it wins. So join this shit, trust me. I'll put links in the description below. You can bet a million places. Every single place, every single sports betting takes crypto. They prefer crypto. Bovada, I'm cashing out $4,000 in Bovada right now. They're going to send it to my Bitcoin wallet. NitrogenSports.eu is another good one. If you have basic questions like, oh, is it good for my, just figure it out yourself. It's real easy. And let's just get this money. We are getting this money. I am telling you. Let's go ahead and pull up some profit logs. Obviously, the whale crew's kicking ass. We are a mastermind group. We are murdering the game. The profit logs are real. I am not photoshopping all of these people's results. There are over, here, let's see here. There's over 500 members. If we weren't doing good, you would probably hear about it, and I probably wouldn't be doing this. Over 500 members are killer whales in our trade group, following our trades. Trust me, there is no better place. That's why I said there's no better YouTube channel. A lot of people talk about earning other income, things you can do, $100 bullshit giveaways and whatever. If you want actual results, this is the place. I'm telling you. I should do like a whole wham bam package of everything. But so what? We'll do what did I say? 200 or 250 for the sports picks until April. We'll do 200. 200 if you just want the March Madness through the April 8th. I highly recommend it because you are stealing it. You are getting what I am paying $10,000 for $200. Give me a break. EXP Asset. You get paid from your binary plan bullshit that pays you out. This is what I like. Everything else that I'm receiving is a bonus. You will also get bonuses because you're going to get people signed up under you from not only me, but the guys, my guys in the Philippines, okay? On one of your legs. And so you'll get this no matter, if you put money in this, you will get paid out 120%. Been around for 2 years now. They're doing seminars and shit every single day, flying around the world. They have more products than any other bull. Screw the Tron dice daps. Those things are like cockroaches. They're like, I got in Tron bet for a little bit. And you know what? In my opinion, if you're going to play those things, I like playing the token price. Screw the trying to get 1%, screwing myself 5% every day. If I'm going to get on those Tron daps, I'll get in early. Buy tokens and then sell it when they get higher. That's how you really make money off those. So there's a little free tip for you. Okay. I know I'm still doing the free signals in the CF analysis in positions until Friday. It's kind of an odd week. And I was a little kind of afraid of it. This hasn't really been that much of a fun week. It's not that it's been a bad week. We've been in profit. We've been nailing some shorts. We entered a long last night and got right out. So I'm not afraid to exit a position if something changes. I have way too many people following me to let my pride get in the way of making the right decision. So go EXP Asset, go March Madness and sports betting. The $400 lifetime special is still valid for the whale crew. And mark my words, it will never, ever be that price again. The price is going to go up. I'm thinking probably around $1,000 for a lifetime membership because what I'm charging is way too little. Other groups are charging thousands of dollars, and they're not getting the results that we are. I'm doing a low price because I want as many people to be in as possible. You know, obviously it benefits me. I am an entrepreneur. Don't tell me, well, if you can trade, how come you do? If you can trade, how come you're selling? How come you're selling? That is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Anyone who says that probably only has one income and are stupid. Okay, and that's all they're ever going to have. If you have $1 million, are you not going to try to make 5 or 10 million? If you make $20 million, do you just sit on your ass and watch TV for the rest of your life? No. Because you'll have children one day, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. You want to build a legacy, build an empire, set your family up in the future. So there is no, oh, if you're so good, how come you're helping and selling? It is your duty to the world. If you have a good service and a good product, to offer it and sell it for a fair price. That's what makes the world go round. Okay? And plus, if you pay for something, that means you'll actually treat it well. Look at it, some of you, let's say if you have a 16-year-old son or daughter, if you just bought them that car and gave it to them, they're probably going to treat it like shit. But if you made them work, maybe work at a movie theater or something, and you know they had to save up $1,000 or something to help pay for it, they're going to love that car. They're going to treat it seriously. So I don't want to hear any of that. But yippee-ki-yay, we are on fire. Do the sports betting. Trust me, you'll be happy with it. I'm happy with it. So I keep paying these guys. Trust me, they keep asking me for more because we keep making more. They want to build me up. You know, I don't blame them. I'm a good guy to do business with. I do business with everybody. I give everybody a fair shot. So, yeah, I think that's all I want to say. Episode 2 of Card Counting is coming soon. Those are my incomes, some of mine for this crypto space right now. There are others, but March Madness, go March Madness, do this shit. Scroll in the description. Let's get you going, okay? Message me on Discord. Don't get scammed. Don't get scammed by any imposters. I'm CryptoFace6075. CryptoFace6075. That's it. Now there's people impostering some of my lieutenants. And so just make sure you're dealing with the real guy, which is me, not anyone else. God bless you. Let's keep kicking ass, okay? Peace.